I want to give you a really good, simple, inexpensive tip to increase hair growth as well as increase the thickness of your hair. Now, to be totally transparent, I do sell several hair growth products, but in this video, I'm not going to promote that. I'm going to give you a really simple tip, and it's very inexpensive, okay? Jello. That's right, Jello. Now, what is Jello made of? Gelatin, okay? And then there's another form of gelatin called hydrolyzed collagen. So any one of these three will work. Now, as far as Jello goes, I'm not talking about sweetened Jello with artificial flavoring. I'm talking about like the unflavored, I think it's called NAC gelatin. So you can get it in a powder where you can dissolve it with water or get it in tablets or just make Jello. So there's some interesting things about gelatin I want to discuss. First of all, it's 99% protein, and it's broken down protein into the basic building blocks, amino acids, and some peptides. Now, what's a peptide? Peptide is a small chain of amino acids, okay? So you take this amino acid and you string them together. If I'm not mistaken, it could be anywhere between like 2 and 15 amino acids connected together, but don't quote me. But gelatin has some interesting effects, not just giving your hair, your skin, your nails more protein, but it also increases blood flow in blood volume, okay? Thereby increasing blood flow to the little hairs in your scalp. And as far as peptides in this gelatin, there's one called hydroxyproline, which has been shown to actually increase hair growth by itself. And you've probably seen it in a lot of different hair products. All right, interesting studies, I'll put them down below. A lot of these studies are double-blinded, placebo-controlled clinical trials between the years 1983 and 1998, but I did not search for studies recently. But some of these studies showed a 50% increase in hair growth, substantial increase in diameter of your hair, making it thicker, as well as increasing the numbers of hair that are growing on your head. So that's significant. For 3 different conditions, seborrheic alopecia, we have androgenetic alopecia, okay, which is another form of hair loss, as well as another common condition called telogen effluvium. Now, in this video, I'm not going to get into the specifics of each one of these, but apparently gelatin just gives you the raw material and also the blood flow to help add some help to this problem, even if there's an autoimmune component to this, even if there's a genetic weakness to this problem. Now, as far as the amount I would recommend between 10 and 14 grams per day. That's like 1 tablespoon if you were going to use the powder. And in some of the studies that I'm going to list down below, they didn't just use gelatin. They also added with it L-cysteine, okay? You can also get L-cysteine in another product called NAC. And they added some saw palmetto, which is also good for the hormone component part of hair loss. So anyway, I wanted to keep this video short and just give you a simple tip. And if you haven't seen my more comprehensive video on hair loss, I put it up right here. Check it out.